marketing training. In this short video, I want to show you how you can actually remove background easily from your picture. The easiest way to remove your background is to go to Google. Just type Google, let it open. Then while in Google, just type remove.bg, 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 and move on to the site. To open here, you click on the site to open, or you can type it directly, remove.bg, remove.bg. Okay, now once the site has opened, you wait for it to load. It has finished loading, so you just come over here and upload your image. Very simple and straightforward. And you choose the image that you want to remove the background. As for me, I want to remove this image background, so I click on it, select it, and click done. Okay, and in a jiffy the background will be gone. Do you see it? The background is gone. Now I can use this image straight away. Very easy, very easy. Okay, so the next thing to do is to download it, and under download you have an option to download it as normal download or to download it as HD. Isn't this simple? Of course. Now you can also try to paint a kind of design this image if you want to. If you click on this add color, they show you different colors on the image. Each one you choose, it will display for you. So these are things you can do with remove.bg. Please, if you like what we are teaching, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share, and invite others to come. And for you who are returning subscriber, I'm very grateful to you. I'm so happy for you. Please keep it up. Keep coming back, because in this channel we are going to be getting knowledge every day. But please invite others as well to come over and learn. Have you subscribed to our channel? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Please just click that notification button right away. And if you like what I just did, give me a thumbs up. See you in our next class. Let me download this straight away. Now it's downloaded very fast and very easy. Let's go and check it up and see how it is. So you have to check where you're sending it to. Let's send it to here and click download again. You can actually install this to your home screen, and that's what I'm doing right now. So that way you don't have to be coming all over every day to Google to do it. So for you to add it to your home screen, just come over to background remover, remove.bg, and click install. Once you click install, it will install on your phone, your mobile phone. Okay, so with this way you can easily get it. You don't have to go to Google or any other search engine to search for this website. Isn't this amazing? So please, like I said before, now kindly subscribe to my channel and see you in our next class. And if you practice this and it works for you, then write on the comment section that it works, so that people will believe and people will know that this things works. And let me tell you what, most of these things, if you go to Fiverr or Upwork, people pay $5, $3, $2, even more, just to remove their background image. So this is a special skill that you can learn and actually make money from it. See you in our next class, and please have you subscribed? If you haven't, kindly click the notification button straight away, and see you in our next class.